What if one simple DIY skincare secret could help your skin look smoother, more refined, and naturally radiant? Here's what you need. Turmeric powder, known for its soothing properties and help improve the appearance of uneven skin tone. Coffee, gently exfoliate the skin and help make tired-looking skin appear fresh. Egg white, create a temporary tightening effect and help skin feel firmer and smoother. Add a pinch of turmeric powder. And 1 teaspoon of coffee. Then mix in the egg white until smooth and creamy. The texture should be easy to spread across the face. This DIY firming mask helps make the skin feel tighter and firmer, brighten dull-looking skin, improve the appearance of dark spot, gently exfoliate rough skin texture, leave the skin smooth, fresh, and glowing. Apply an even layer onto clean skin, avoiding the eye area. Leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes, then rinse with lukewarm water. Want smoother, brighter looking skin using simple kitchen ingredients? Try this DIY firming mask tonight. Always patch test, especially when using turmeric or coffee on sensitive skin.